welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make these super easy, very delicious tacos dorados. If you guys are ready, let's get started. The ingredients that I will be using for these super easy tacos dorados will be queso fresco, jalapenos, and corn tortillas, and a little bit of olive oil. You're more than welcome to use other ingredients in your tacos. You can use shredded chicken, you can also add some potatoes in your tacos dorados. However, I'm gonna keep mine very simple with just the queso fresco and the jalapenos. Okay, now we're gonna cut up our jalapenos into slices. You are more than welcome to take off the seeds. Now, I like everything pretty spicy, so I'm gonna keep my seeds, but if you guys don't want it super spicy, take the seeds off. Now let's cut our queso fresco, and we want to cut it long ways. Okay, so in a pan, we're gonna go ahead and add some olive oil. All right, we're gonna turn on the stove to medium-high. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then once the oil is warmed up, that's when we're gonna add our tortillas. Okay, now that our oil is warmed up, we're gonna go ahead and add the tortilla. Now we're gonna add it onto the oil. We want to lightly cover it up with the oil. We don't want to fry the tortilla all the way, just because we will be rolling this up later on, and then we will be frying. This is so it makes it easier for us to roll up the tortilla. Now that we have cut up our queso fresco, our jalapenos, and we fried up our tortillas, it's time to roll our tacos. In the same pan that I use to fry up the tortillas, I'm gonna use to fry our tacos. Now, when you're gonna place your rolled up tacos into the frying pan, you wanna make sure this part of the tacos is facing down so it doesn't open. And if your pan needs a little bit of oil, you can go ahead and add more oil to it so your tacos can get nice and crispy. Okay. Now that our tacos dorados are ready, I garnished mine with some lettuce, tomatoes, and a little bit of sour cream. Now let's give this a try. These tacos dorados are super easy to make. They're so good. I love the crunchiness of the tortilla. I love the texture of the queso fresco with the jalapeno inside of it. Well, that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and by the way, Happy New Year's. I hope everyone had a fun and safe holiday. I know we did. But going back to the tacos dorados, this is one of my favorite things to eat. It's so good and so easy, and it just has like 3 truly ingredients that you need. The lettuce and the tomato and the sour cream is completely optional. You don't have to add any of that if you don't want to. And so growing up, that's how we ate it. And of course we always had some frijoles next to it, some black beans. My mom always had some fresh black beans in a pot. And it was one of our favorite things to eat. So I will leave all of the ingredients down below in the description box of what I used and any measurements that need to be on there. So I hope you guys, again, I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye everyone.